Welcome to Press. In this video, I will show you how to disable GitHub Copilot training on your data. Recently, I opened GitHub and saw this message. On April 24, we will start using GitHub Copilot interaction data for AI model training unless you opt out. Review this update and manage your preferences in your GitHub account settings. To opt out, click on your profile icon, select Copilot settings, scroll down, come out to privacy section and disable this option. Allow GitHub to use my data for AI model training. You can allow or disallow GitHub to use your data for AI model training from here. Okay, I hope it helped. Like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.